Alright, chat. Hopefully I can hear me, because, as usual, I have audio problems. Playing Sleeping Dogs, and hopefully I'll finish this game. Y'all know me. If I don't feel like playing it, I'm not gonna play it. So, play this for an hour and then we're probably gonna play something else. Alright, let's see. And yes, I played this game before, but it was forever ago, so I don't remember.
咩啊？攞多錢？
搞錯，佢帶住咁大把刀嘅。
明白。
情報話目標喺南邊過緊你啊。
清楚。OK，各單位準備，同我睇實佢。
你捉個 Shen 先好啊。
He's only.
I'm not fucking blind.
Relax, old boy. We're on the same side, remember?
條友都幾串喎。喂，有冇貨
Yeah, you got the money?
喂，情況有變，
咩啊？
有個碼頭警衛，佢由後面上緊嚟啊！
揾人截住佢啦！
冇可能，我哋呢度太遠啦，路。
細路唔好亂嚟啊！
Look, I can get you 3-4 keys a week if you want.
睇下點？
What? My shit's not good enough for you?
喂，究竟發生咩事啊？
咩啊？邊撚個啊你？
停手，咪喐！
Come, my friend. Just
Are you crazy? No, don't.
maybe we can sort something out, huh?
你兇我啊！你知唔知我係邊個啊？
所有伙計唔好俾佢走得啦！截住佢！
好傷害我啊
Fucking hell!
！Don't do it, man! Don't do it!
喺後面人，過緊嚟啊
Let's go! Let's go!
Alright, chat.
Come on! No,
That
what's
dude
the
is
next?
destroyed, I'm not gonna lie.
You see anyone? I think they're after Wu! Crazy fuck! Shit! Run! Run! Stay with me!
Yo, wait, you gotta move faster than this, bro, I'm not gonna lie. Like, you moving too slow. There's cops be after you.
Come on! Come on! Are you crazy? Keep moving! Keep going!
Bro, I'm right behind you.
Are you kidding me? Let's
Take
get these
this dude
guys!
out. Yep.
Son of a bitch!
This dude got caught. Come on. Talk about bug.
Shit! 警察，咪喐！哇！我哋而家要拘捕你。
We're cooked.
Come on, we can work something out, right? 唔使諗啦，入到監倉裏面慢慢反省啦。而家唔係事必要你講，除非你自己想講。但係你所講嘅嘢可能會用紙同筆記低，就成為呈堂證供。你明白？
Hey man, I told you next week. 下個禮拜 OK? OK?
點解你同我講埋呢啲
喂
嘢啊？唔掂咁樣
Shen?
出嚟行啦！
It's Jackie from More Prosperity, man.
Oh shit, Jackie Ma.
Lanaya, it is you. I can't fucking believe it. What are you doing here? When did you get back? Well, wait. Man, you look like shit.
Hey, fuck you.
You know, 15 years to do that. You know, we're not kids anymore.
Whatever, man. Ask anyone. Jackie Ma still looks good.
Jackie Ma is still the same old, but good to see you.
What the fuck? They finally deport your ass from the United States?
That was mutual. Time I came home anyway.
Yeah, lock up. Home sweet home. So what they get you on?
Nothing that'll stick.
Ha! Well, don't let them pin any extra shit on you. Fuckers will try, let me tell you. Once they hear you're from old prosperity, happens all the time.
Hey, so you still in touch with any of the guys from there?
A few, you know. People kind of go their separate ways, but... You remember Winston? He's moved all the way up to Redpole in the Sun On Yee. I've got a couple of things going with him right now, matter of fact.
Huh. Redpole and the Sun On Yee. Shit, Dog Eyes always said he'd be running that neighborhood.
Oh, Dog Eyes is a Redpole too. And still a total poke guy. He was the one who got Winston in. They were pretty tight back then, but now... Hey, wasn't Dog Eyes hanging with your sister?
Yeah, it was a long time ago.
Hey, remember when we were kids and you stabbed Dog Eyes with a pen? You totally saved my ass that day. Oh man, I gotta tell Winston that story. He'll fucking love it. Man, way fucking Shen in the flesh. I can't believe it.
Jackie Ma!
Looks like I'm out of here.
Hey, Jackie. So look, if you and Winston ever need help with any of that shit you got going on with him...
Of course, man. Look me up when you get out. It'll just be like old times.
It seems that the evidence against you has failed to appear. How do you explain that? You must be a very dangerous man, Wei Shen. That is exactly what we want people to think. I trust that my men weren't too rough on you, officer.
You might ask them the same question, sir. Those guys are out of shape. It paid off, though. I made contact with Jackie Ma. I'm in.
Good work. Use him to get close to Winston Chu. Do whatever it takes. Raymond here will be your handler. You'll report everything through him.
Our intel suggests that Winston is looking for muscle. You need to find a way to make him trust you.
I've done this before.
Not in Hong Kong. American gangs, even Asian ones, don't compare to the triads here. The Sun On Yee is the most powerful gang...
Look, Raymond. Your name's Raymond, right?
Yes.
I grew up with these guys. I know who they are, what they are. All the intel reports in the world won't give you that.
We want the Red Poles, the lieutenants like Winston, all of them. And most of all, the Dragonhead.
Candidly, Wei, previous attempts to get close to him haven't panned out. We don't have much to go on. That's why you're here. I'm hoping that you can bring something more to our investigation.
I understand, sir. Look, the sooner I'm on the street, the sooner I can start.
Raymond will be in touch. Oh, and Wei, good luck out there.
Respectfully, sir, are you sure about him? He'll be under extreme stress maybe for a very long time. Now, I'm not sure he has the discipline to hold up. According to the file, he has a history of extreme behavior.
Yes, and an astonishing number of convictions.
He obviously blames the triads for what happened to his family. It could turn into a vendetta.
Raymond, Wei Shen is perfect for this job.
Wait, Shen? Man, this is going to be great.
Yeah, thanks again, Jackie. I appreciate the intro.
No problem, man. By the way, you know I tried looking you up a few years back, but I couldn't find shit. Do they have internet in America?
I think they're getting it next year.
Guess you were in prison or something. Come on, let's get out of here. Still getting used to being back, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was like the
So
longest
Winston's a Red Pole now?
ever.
All this territory is Winston's. The Dog Eyes is pushing in.
He was a rat.
If
man.
they're both Red
God.
Poles, shouldn't they be on the same side?
Should be.
But Winston's
Dog
tough,
Eyes
though,
always
so
was an
I ain't
asshole.
going.
Turns out he's a
I ain't
greedy
forget
asshole
something
too.
like that.
One thing, When we get to Winston's, let me do the introductions. They're really distrustful of new faces right now.
It's wild paranoia.
Sun On Yee had a rat. From what I hear, they didn't let him have a quick death. Made it real slow and painful. Hey, Jiu Mei, how are you, baby?
Jackie, you know my parents don't want you to talk to me.
Your parents don't even know me. Once we get to know each other, they'll love me.
呢條契弟，我今日就收你哋。淆底就認，打就企定。哼，你同我含撚啦！呢度幾撚時輪到你講嘢啊
Hey, you don't talk to her like that.
Stop it!
Get off him. I don't care who you are. Let go of Jackie. I'm gonna fuck you up.
Yeah, time to give me smoke. Yeah. Oh my god, wait, I didn't know how to do that.
Kidding me?
Wait, I gotta cut it off the wall.
Yeah, all right. Come the fuck on. Come on.
Mailbox. Yep. You want some too? Hey, y'all can push me, bro. Get off.
Are you done? I'm still here.
Let's go.
Damn, Wayne. What did they do to you in America, man?
Taught me how to fight better, man.
That looked nasty. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Bunch of fucking assholes. So, everything's cool? Well, you're welcome anyway.
Come on, Jackie. Let's go see Winston.
Here we are. Winston's mom owns the restaurant.
Whoa! Where the fuck do you think you're going?
Relax, man. This is Wei. Wei Shen. I told you about him, remember?
Fuck! We can't keep track of your bullshit friends, Jackie. No outsider.
He's not an outsider. He's from old prosperity. Like us. Hochi all day. Wei's old school, you know? I grew up with the guy.
Old prosperity, huh? 點解我唔記得你嘅？
I've been on vacation. Jackie said you were looking for people.
Oh, Jackie 話嘅。
No. You should have seen it, Winston. Wei just beat up like 10 of Dog Eyes guys in the market by himself.
係咩？
They attacked us. Seems to me you could use some better help.
你講乜嘢嚇 ？Winston, I don't like this cocky little fucker. Wait a minute. 等一陣 I do remember you. You had a sister, right? 係咪啊？
Yeah, Mimi.
Mimi Shen. I remember her. Hung out with dog eyes. No offense. 真係熟到爆㗎. Where's she now?
She's dead.
Sorry. 唔好意思啊. So, 10 guys, huh? You feel this? They're just crazy.
Try capable.
We'll see. Conroy, you know that problem we got in the market? Why don't you take Wei with you? Hey, Jackie, hang back a second. I want to hear more about your friend.
All right. You want to be a tough guy? Let's see if you can handle yourself. Dude, see what he's got.
Great. That's all.
This nigga's a prick, bro.
So you're the tough guy that's everyone's talking about.
Beat up y'all your homeboys because you think you all tough and shit. Come here.
Hey,
You like that?
You can fight?
Oh.
I've met you fall at the first time. Come on, dude. Don't go easy on him.
Oh.
How about that?
What do you guys think? Sucks, right?
I'm beating this nigga ass. What are you talking about?
That all you got?
Think you're hot shit, huh? Let's see what happens.
You got that one?
Shit gets
Got too much practice from Batman, y'all.
Come on, fight back.
Yo.
Why did you get out of here? You like that?
Hello, boys.
Stupid.
Hey, 你哋搞乜撚嘢啊?
Boss, we were just leaving. 走啦吓.
And it was just getting interesting, too. Winston, my old friend. So good to see you. How's your family, huh?
What do you want, dog eyes?
Oh, Winston, wait. Brother, I just came to talk to you, man. For old time's sake. Let's work something out here, okay? We can share the night market, huh? We're both Song Ong Yi, both grown men. We shouldn't be fighting like children. Hey, who's the new blood?
It's Wei. You remember Mimi Shen? Back when you first started getting girls with Big Smiley?
Oh, Mimi. Oh, yeah. First girl ever sucked my cock. Yeah, so what?
Wei's her brother.
And I was the first guy who ever stabbed you. You remember me now?
Whoa, Wei, what the fuck, man? Seriously, Wei? I apologize. I'm really sorry your sister blew me.
The night market is mine, dog eyes. You got Siwa in the warehouse. That was the deal. So stay the fuck out.
Hey, tell your sister give me a call, huh? I wouldn't mind giving her a mouthful.
He hasn't changed.
Yeah, he has. Used to be my friend. Jackie, you two go to the night market. You make sure people understand that I'm in control, not dog eyes. Got it?
Got it, boss. 冇問題.
And you fuck up anybody who tries to get in your way. I want to send a fucking message.
Got you, dog. I got you, man.
This will be easy. No problem. You just have to be strong. That's what people respect. So you mentioned your sister back there.
Mimi? Yeah, she OD'd years ago now. I mean, after we moved to the States, she tried to kick that shit butt.
That sucks. She was, really alive.
My mother thought maybe a new city, new country. The hooks went deep.
And once you start on that shit, it's hard to stop. For anybody.
Yeah, once she started.
Oh, man. And it was dog eyes that got her into it?
Yep. fucking dog eyes.
You gonna tell Winston?
No. You?
Shit, Wade. Winston's the boss. But when we were kids, you were the only person who was nice to me. You were my best friend, man. That means more than a boss, you know?
Probably because you're a punk.
Joey Quan sells pirate
You look like you're in the wrong profession, man.
Hey, come on in. I got special deal for
Hey, little brother. We work for
Where
Winston.
my money at?
I understand. How can I help?
Winston runs this place, and if you don't want trouble, you pay him. Period.
Of course, no problem. You need anything? Just come ask.
Appreciate it.
No, this is gonna piss Dog Eyes off. At some point, Winston and Dog Eyes are gonna clash, man. It's going to be epic. Winston versus Dog Eyes. Just like the movies, man. He's a basic. Hey, you wanna do the talking?
Last dude have my money. Where my money at now? Come on.
Winston? Dog Eye said he's in charge
And
here.
you selling
We're
jewelry?
here to clarify.
Come on, get my money.
What? You want to be the guy we use to clear up the confusion?
I'm not afraid, you guys.
Don't be a tough guy.
Oh. Okay. You first of all. Take the ball.
I will pay.
I'm glad I can make you
Now
see
you wanna
reason.
pay.
Take the money.
Should be
Dog Eye
Hugh.
won't be happy.
Oh, shit, I gotta do my prayers.
梗係嚟我度買衫啦。
Hey, yo, Jackie.
Dude.
What pose was that? You're wild.
You killed him.
He'll be fine. He'll just have to drink through a straw for a while.
Over here. I think this guy's with Dog Eyes.
We work for Winston. We need to discuss business.
Winston? I don't have any business with Winston.
Everyone has business with Winston. You're gonna pay up,
playing,
you understand?
Go
I
tell
wanna
Winston to
give you
stick
those.
a back choy up his ass. Hey,
Oh,
fellas,
okay. For real?
these troops are moving in on your territory.
Oh. Nope. I want you, bruh. You did me dirt right there. You can come here too. You can get thrown on there. Stupid. Yo, Jackie, you're useless. Get out of here. My attitude adjustment. What money at, bruh?
So did you have a message for Winston?
Beat you
He's
up.
obviously better than Dog Eyes. Please give him this payment from me.
I think we're almost done, but let's check over there. Hey, look at that guy. Beating up that old man. That ain't gonna fly on our turf.
Hello，唔好殺我啊！你冇攞籌啊！
You don't fuck with anyone under our protection.
Oh. Go. Good man. Jackie, you still get beat up over here?
Don't tell Dog Eyes this market belongs to Winston.
You can't take down one person, bro. Like, come on.
Why was he beating you?
I know you're gonna give me my money.
times the normal payment. Maybe he has a drug habit or something.
For a small fee, Winston will make sure you don't have trouble with gangsters.
That sounds very reasonable.
Oh, the best brand name. And we need to get you outfitted. Over here, people need to know you're one of us. You got an image to maintain. Only the best brands. Gotta be successful.
Close here.
Let's see what outfits they got. Like, yo,
If that's the one you
guess
want,
I'm getting
go
it.
for it. You think? Come again.
I need a new store. This is trash.
Thanks. Come again. Call me if you need further help
get back
with
to
your
Winston.
wardrobe.
I'm not coming back here. This shit sucks, bro.
應做就做啦。
Over here. Listen,
Oh, that was awesome, man. All this teen. It's like you were born to do this.
Hey, Jackie!
You want to tell Harry what's going on?
Just keeping an eye on things.
Yeah? What'd you see?
I tell you what I didn't see. Nothing to be impressed about. I'm watching you, new guy. You fuck up.
What? We're gonna throw down? What kind of grade school shit is this, huh? I work my ass off all day, so fuck off and grow up.
Jackie, you're coming with me. We got something to take care of. And you! Don't fuck with me.
Hey man, you want to change up that wardrobe?